and savers. My name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be heading into Publix. The date is January the 18th. This is the first Publix haul of the week. As always, there's a printable breakdown in the description box that you should check out. You can either print it off or you can just pull it up on your phone to take in the store. If you are new to my channel, please make sure that you hit that red subscribe button and click that notification bell to all so you know when all my videos are coming up. Please join me on Instagram and Facebook so you can see my visual deals. Now let's get started on some deals. Okay, praisers and savers, I'm starting you off with my deal of the day. This is going to be on the Suja organic cold pressed juices. These are usually $4 for one juice, but they're on BOGO. Buy one, get one free. So they're going to be $2 each. We have an amazing $1.50 IBOTTA rebate on these juices. And this can be done up to 5 times per receipt. So we're going to be getting these juices for just 49 cents each. Really excited about this, and I hope that this resets in my IBOTTA gallery so I can go back and stock up on more. I am definitely a grits kind of girl, but these Quaker Oats are an amazing deal. We're going to be getting these just for $1 each. This is an all-digital deal, and the Quaker Oats are usually $4.50 each. However, they are BOGO, so there will be $2.25. Plus, we have this amazing IBOTTA rebate that we can do up to 5 times for $1.25 back. So with the BOGO and the $1.25 back, these oats are going to be just $1 per container. Amazing, amazing stock up price. So go ahead and pick these up. Now last week we had a great deal on the Bird's Eye veggies, but this week we have a great deal on the Green Giants. Now these are usually $1.99, but we do have this BOGO, making each box of these just $1. Now these are great for a single serving or two person serving. Great thing to put in the freezer for just a quick side to go with your meal. So go ahead and stock up on these. I'm not sure, but I'm going to check to see if these qualify to go with the shopping spree on the frozen rewards. If you haven't looked into the frozen rewards for the shopping spree, make sure that you do that. This is an amazing deal on the Gogurt Yoplait squeeze yogurts. These are going to be just 37 cents each using all digital. So the first thing you're going to do is you'll pick up 2 of these. Your total will be $3.25. We have a $1.50 coupon when you buy 2 on the Publix app. If you don't have that coupon, there's also a $1.50 coupon on the Coupons app. In addition to that, we have a 50 cents IBOTTA rebates. So you'll get that rebate twice. You'll get $1 back, making this just 74 cents or 37 cents for each box of Gogurt. I was so excited about these Nutpods 9 dairy creamers, but my store doesn't carry this size. We only carry the 26 ounce sizes, and these were not on sale, but the 11.2 ounces are on sale this week for $3. We do have a 75 cent IBOTTA rebate. That can only be done up to 1 time on your receipt. So because it's $1.50, we have that 75 cent rebate. It'll make each of these just 75 cents. Now, I know I've seen some people say there's also a Publix digital coupon, but I do not have that on my app either. So I was really excited about this deal. I was hoping to get it free, but I'm not going to. So these Dove deodorant are going to be just 84 cents each, which is still a great deal. We're going to pick up 3 of these Dove. They're usually $5 each, but they'll be $2.51. So picking up 3 of them, our total will be $7.53. We do have this $5 Unilever coupon on 3. It'll bring our total down to $2.53. Now, there is a $2 coupon on Dove, but it did not apply. I know a lot of people are having problems with that coupon not applying. But using that one $5 coupon is still a great deal on these Dove. Last week I shopped at a different Publix, but all the Publixes around me are having a lot of the cleaning products and the smelly stuff on sale or on clearance. Now, it's not clearanced on the little clearance rack, it's clearanced on the actual shelf. So I will be getting these Airwick Essentials for 89 cents. It's the vanilla one, and so these are $2.39. We do have a $1.50 IBOTTA rebate on here. So after that IBOTTA rebate in the clearance sale, it'll be just 89 cents. And this can be done up to 3 times. But just check the aisle. There's tons of more things that are on it. So these Purex Crystals are one of my favorite things to put in the laundry. I call these my flavor crystals, but don't eat them. So they're usually $5.19 each, but they're on buy one, get one free. So each one will be $2.60. We have an IBOTTA rebate for $1.25 back, and we can do this deal up to 5 times on that receipt. With that $1.25 back, each bottle of Purex Crystals is going to be $1.35. My favorite smell is the fresh spring water, and if this comes back in my gallery, I am surely picking this up. Now, the next deal is on the cilantro pasta. I totally forgot to check this out in the store, but this can be a pretty great deal. I've seen some people pay as less as like $3.50 for these and getting back that $1 there on Ibotta. So it can be a pretty great deal. But like I said, I didn't check on this in the store. Make sure you get the smaller bag because you can get this Ibotta rebate on any variety in any size, a limit up to 5. So this could be about maybe $1 or so. I'm not really sure. But check it out. Let me know if you score on these. And when I go back to Publix for my second haul, I'll be sure to pick these up. So that's it for you guys. 9 easy digital deals that you can do just with your phone. No paper coupons needed. So today we used IBOTTA and we used our Publix app to get all of these amazing deals. Remember, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. You can either print it off or you can just pull it up on your phone to take in the store with you. No need to write anything down. I'll see you guys next time when I head to Walmart. Make sure you check out the next video.